Popularly known for their awesome real-time gaseous fire, smoke, and volume simulation tool, the folks at Janga FX have released a new teaser trailer of LiquidGen, which is their upcoming liquid simulation tool. This tool, which was teased 1 year and a few months ago, looks promising and may just be the next fluid simulation engine, as the folks at Janga FX are poised to creating the most real-time liquid simulation tool yet, just like they've done with EmberGen. And with LiquidGen in the works and coming soon, this would compete with tools like RealFlow, Houdini, and their likes. Combined with an easy-to-use UI like that of EmberGen, users would definitely find this super easy to work with and create amazing-looking fluid simulations with it. Although there is no definite time of release, as they're currently working on getting a few things done, like the proper emitters and drain systems, export capabilities, whitewater, foam generation, key simulation, and proper UI integration. And of course, they're also looking at giving users a more finite control over the simulation parameters, which include surface tension, particle count, meshing, and so on. And with LiquidGen, users will be able to play with 3 different shading options, which includes the path tracing, reflect and refract, and diffuse color. With diffuse color showing LiquidGen simulation in the most primitive mode, and users will be able to view sparse details of the simulation, and with the path tracing shading option showcasing a more interesting render of the simulation with materials and HDRI. Although this would definitely require a PC that packs a punch, as in terms of GPU, this is more GPU reliant, just like we have with EmberGen. And for the reflect and refract, this is basically a shaded view with built-in world lighting for minimum reflection and refraction. Currently, simulation works with colliders with real-time meshing, which is pretty decent for simulation. And with gravity, this looks super awesome, especially with cool collider shot like this. And from the creator, these are just the basic implementations, as more features are planned for future and final release. And from voxels to splash details, LiquidGen, just like EmberGen, is awesome and would give artists a more interactive and faster way to simulate liquid. Although viscosity is currently unavailable, but it's also something that is being looked at and planned for the future. And to get an idea of what the current goals are, they're looking at a few things, which include speed, versatility, and export. And unlike EmberGen, they're also looking at launching for both Windows, Mac, and Linux from the very first day of launch. And for R&D, they're currently working on sparse solver, real-time meshing in under 1 millisecond per frame, and the photorealistic path tracer in active R&D. And of course, for those who like to take a look at these, and probably you like to read up and catch up with some of the fun stuff that the folks at Janga FX have created previously, or probably you like to get some of the free assets that they also have, then you can go over to jangafx.com where you can find out all of these. So, this is more like it. LiquidGen is coming, and this might just be the next real-time liquid simulation tool for all. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.